In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the recorder in Microsoft Power Automate Desktop. Whether you're looking to automate repetitive tasks or just streamline your workflow, Power Automate Desktop is an incredibly powerful tool, and learning to use the recorder can significantly boost your productivity. Let's dive into it. To get started, you'll first need to either create a new desktop flow or open an existing one within the Power Automate Desktop application. If you're new to flows, think of them as sets of instructions or actions you want the software to perform. This is your canvas, the place where all your automated magic happens. You'll notice a toolbar across the top within the Flow Designer. This is where you'll find the recorder button. Go ahead and click it. Doing so will open up the recorder window, which is your main tool for capturing the tasks you want to automate. By using the recorder, you are essentially telling Power Automate Desktop, "Watch what I do and learn these steps." Moving on to recording your actions. In the recorder window, there will be a big inviting record button. Press it when you are ready to start capturing your actions. Once you click it, you'll notice your screen dims slightly. Don't worry, this is merely an indication that the recorder is now active and taking note of everything you do on screen. As you go through your tasks, make sure to perform every action that you want automated clearly and precisely, as this will ensure the recorder captures it accurately. This could be anything from opening programs, navigating through files, or entering data into an application. After you've finished performing the tasks, it's time to conclude the recording session. Head back to the recorder window and click the Done button. This simple action signals to the recorder that you're finished and ready to see the magic unfold. Power Automate Desktop will then automatically translate your recorded actions into a sequence of steps within your Flow Designer. These steps are essentially the building blocks of your automation. Now you have a sequence generated effortlessly by the recorder, which allows you to review and tweak it as needed. That's all there is to it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully used the recorder in Microsoft Power Automate Desktop to automate your tasks. It's a powerful first step towards making your everyday computing tasks more efficient, freeing up your time for more important activities. Thank you for watching, and happy automating.